Completely true. The money really is in the list. Building an email list is the single most important thing that all internet and affiliate marketers can do. It is your guarantee for regular future income and the only thing that can genuinely help you to retire and to live the laptop lifestyle. All those gurus and super affiliates that you see on the beaches or driving their fast cars, the only reason that they are able to do all this is because they have a huge email list of subscribers working for them in the background and earning them money on autopilot. In fact, even when they're sleeping. So forget anything else you've heard. You don't need this push button software or that set of shiny new squeeze pages. What you actually do need is a proven list of subscribers that will earn you money each and every month for as long as your email list exists. Welcome to Lightning List. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and along with my launch partner Sandra Elizabeth Hawley, we are going to show you the exact methods that we use to add between 30 to 50 subscribers to our email lists on average each and every day. Lightning List will show you 10 completely effective methods for building an email list at lightning speed. Every 100 subscribers you add to your list will earn you around $100 each and every month. And we are going to show you how you can have thousands on your list in a few short weeks from now. With a big email list, you don't need to worry about driving traffic. You already have your own audience. You don't need to make review videos, and you don't need to pay for expensive solo ads to promote products. Your list will provide you with everything that you need. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Lightning List before the price goes up. Step 2. Quickly learn the 10 Lightning List building methods with easy to follow over-the-shoulder videos and case studies. And step 3. Sit back and relax as a steady stream of new subscribers queue up to join your list. But hurry, the information contained inside Lightning List is so important that we can't offer it at this low launch price for long. If you miss out, you're going to pay a lot more the next time you come back to this page. So take action now. So, what happens next? Well, you could carry on as before, struggling to get any sign-ups and continuing to have no audience for your offers. Or you could pick up Lightning List and never have to worry about traffic and subscribers ever again. Whatever you choose, have a great day. But Sandra and myself look forward to seeing you on the inside. Lightning. Welcome to this quick overview. Welcome to this quick overview video for Lightning List, this demo video. As you can see, everything's pretty straightforward here in the members area. You've got a welcome from me, opportunity to join our YouTube channel and Facebook group. Then we move on to an overview of Lightning List. There's a welcome from Sandra, of course, underneath there as well. And then we just move straight into the training section, so you can dive straight into the 10 different methods for list building fast, and we'll obviously cover everything in detail in each of those individual modules, both myself and Sandra with the training. Then we've got some resources for you in here, including free squeeze pages, conclusion, obviously bonuses, and if you missed any upgrades, we've even got some unadvertised bonuses for you. So it's a very straightforward course for you to jump in and follow. Do join us inside and we'll get you building a list very, very quickly, just as soon as we possibly can, and within, you know, a couple of weeks of picking up Lightning List, you will have mastered all of these different techniques, and you will be yourself a list building expert. So do jump in and join in the fun. We'll see you inside.